everyone, welcome back. In this session we would learn how to solve the practice problem insert in middle of linked list. So let's understand the question first. Basically in this question we are given a linked list. Let's say this is the given linked list. I need to add a node 3 in the middle of this linked list, right? So basically this node would be added over here. So the output would be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, so this is the question. We would be given a node, a linked list, and we need to add the given node in the middle of the linked list. I hope the question is clear to you. Now let's solve it. What you need to do is you need to go to the practice portal. In practice portal, in the difficulty section, choose basic. Okay, then you need to find the problem insert in middle of linked list. Once you find the problem, you need to click on solve. Okay, so let's solve the question now. Okay, here is the problem. Let's read it. Given a linked list of size n and a key, the task is to insert the key in the middle of the linked list. Okay, I hope the question is clear. We need to code it over here. Okay, so let's code it. 1 minute. Let's start with the code. Enter. Okay, first slow equal to head. Okay, I'm just giving some names. Then fast equal to head. Okay, then enter. Now while fast dot next, okay, and fast dot next colon, enter, slow equal to slow dot next. Okay, I need to come into the middle, right? Now fast equal to fast dot next, okay, enter. Then node dot next, okay, equal to slow dot next, enter. Then it is slow dot next equal to node, enter, return head. Okay, now I need to check if the solution is correct or not, so I would click on compile and run. Let's wait. The compilation is completed. My output is matching with the, okay, there is an error in my output. So let me check the question first. Okay, slow equal to head, fast equal to heads, while fast dot next and fast dot next. Okay, I made a mistake over here, a spelling mistake. Now let me click on compile and run. Let's wait. Compilation is completed. My output is matching with the expected output. So now I would submit the given problem. Okay, so let's wait. Problem is solved successfully, and this is how you solve the practice problem insert in middle of linked list. I hope this video was helpful for you and you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have enjoyed the video, make sure you click on the like button, and thank you for joining me today. Thank you.